Guys, welcome back to my channel. I hope you all are doing great. So today I just wanted to share with you my prep plus pack video. I'm going on a trip tomorrow, so I just wanted to share with you everything, like what all preps I'm doing, what all stuff I'm packing, like all of my travel essentials, and maybe something can be useful for you as well for your next trip. So let's go, let's see, watch the entire video. Okay guys, let's start off with the hair color first. So I was really missing my hair color because I've been coloring my hair so much that I started missing my hair color. But this time around I'm not gonna do anything to my roots or scalp. I'm just gonna color the ends, like the bottom part of my hair. And for that I'm using this color from Paradise. It's in the shade Hot Pink, but I did some blunder with this hair color and you'll see it in the video. I'm just gonna show you all of the ingredients. So they give you like a brush, and it is a very nice high quality brush. The basic developer and blonder powder they give you, then they give you some shampoo and conditioner, which is great, and they give you 2 pair of gloves, which is also nice, and a tub of color. So this was the small pack. You can get the bigger one as well, but I bought this one because I just wanted to color the ends. So I'm not going to show you the whole process, just basic stuff, like I'm bleaching my hair first, but I did some blunder with the bleaching only. I used like 2 packets of developer and only 1 packet of blonder powder, so my hair didn't look that golden after like keeping it for 1 hour also. But yeah, you have to use both the packets if you want very vibrant pink color to show up. But in my case the color turned out good only. Like I ended up liking the color, so I don't mind. But if you really want the pink color to pop out, you need to use the entire packet of developer and blonder powder. So I just bleached my hair and I kept it for like 45 minutes to 50 minutes, like almost an hour. And then I washed my hair with shampoo, and after that I let my hair dry. And after my hair was dried, you can see this is what it's looking like. It is not even golden, it is just some mocha brown kind of a color. Then I used my hot pink color and I applied it on my dry hair wherever my hair was bleached. So I did that nicely. You have to open up your hair and apply the color, and then I kept the hair color for like 20 to 30 minutes, and then I washed it off with a conditioner. At this stage you can totally skip the shampoo and just simply go ahead with a conditioner. Wash your hair thoroughly and nicely, and then I'm just going ahead with my basic stuff like washing my body. I'm using this body wash from Love Beauty and Planet in coffee and warm vanilla. The fragrance is really nice, it's very delicious. I bought the smaller pack earlier, but this time around I got the bigger pack. Then using the scrub from the same range, I really love the fragrance of coffee and warm vanilla, and this scrub is really nice. After that I just shaved my body off because I'm going on a trip, so it's necessary. After that I'm doing my skincare using my face wash, washing my face. I always wash my face after I'm done with my shower, and then thoroughly washing my face and rinsing it off, and just pat drying my face with a face tissue. After that I'm simply shaving my face. I like to dry shave, but if you have sensitive skin you can just go ahead with some kind of a gel, or whatever suits you best, facial oil or whatever. But I like to dry shave because I've been doing that for many years. Then I'm using this clay mask from Simple. I've showed it earlier in my videos, and this seems to work really well on my skin, although it dries up pretty quickly. But yeah, it's a really nice clay mask. Then I kept it for like 10 minutes. I would suggest you keep it for like 4-5 minutes, but I was just busy doing something, so I kept it for like 10 minutes or so. And while it was drying, I just applied some body lotion using my favorite Vanilla Caramello from Plum. Yeah, I really love the fragrance of this one. Then I applied some perfume. This is a new one that I got, and it is the same Smokin Vanilla. I really love it. Then I washed off my face mask and applied some toner. Of course, I really love this toner, so I always apply this one from BioCule. Then I'm going ahead with this serum from Within. It is also a very nice calming serum, so I apply it all the time. Then I was just applying a moisturizer. This one's from Within as well. It is also a very nice, gel based moisturizer. It's a sleeping mask actually. Then I just blow dried my hair and use some rollers. If you want to see a video wherein I am using rollers, I can do that as well, so comment down if you want to see that video. But yeah, rollers just give so much volume to the hair, and the hair also stays like, my curls also hold up really well if I use a roller. So yeah, I just did that, and look at the color. It turned out so pretty. I'm looking like Tanjiro, honestly. If you watch Demon Slayer, you will relate. But yeah, I was really happy with the color, with how it turned out. And yeah, in love with my hair. And I also cut my hair this day. Like, I cut my layers because I did not want to go to a salon, because it cut my hair so short every time. Guys, the funny part is that I wanted this color to be a very nice pink, hot pink kind of color, but it is looking everything except pink. It is looking red, it is looking like a ruby wine kind of color, looking purple in some lighting. I don't know, like, it is looking everything but pink. I think it's suiting me. I think I'm kind of loving it now. And I know I've put like too much blush, but I'm loving the glow, to be very honest. I applied this new cream. It's from Lakme, I don't remember the name, some Lumi something cream. I bought it recently only, and I applied it with my tint, and I'm loving the glow, dude. Like, wow. And also I changed my nail paint. It's some coffee shade from SERY. Love their nail paints. And yeah, looking very cute. The nail paint also, and the blush also. Okay guys, so I'm trying to pack all of my travel essentials. So I have this wash bag right here. I'll be packing all of my shower essentials in this one. It's quite spacious, it has a lot of space. I'm not gonna carry a lot of stuff anyway, so I think this would be enough. I have a bag full of travel minis. I got this from Smitten. Smitten has a lot of great products, so if you're lucky, you can find your favorite brands. I have Simple here, I have Cetaphil here, and there is Dot and Key, my favorite body lotion. So everything I love is here in mini size. So yeah, love it. Like, I love it. Okay guys, let's just pack all of my shower essentials in this wash bag. I'm just gonna take these two cleansers, Simple and Cetaphil. Then I'm gonna keep this body lotion and body wash from Plum, their vanilla caramel range. Then just gonna keep this underarm roll-on, one small loofah, my razor. This is a very handy razor. I'm just gonna keep my brush because it is very essential. Gonna keep a toothpaste. This is also from Perfora. Then gonna keep my face razor just in case, my hair perfume. And I think that is it for this bag. And yeah, everything is packed and looking nice. Guys, I have this very cute bag for my makeup. It has a lot of space. Like, you can literally fit in your world in this bag. Let me just show it to you. It has loads and loads of space. This is a new bag. I actually wanted to carry all of my skincare and makeup in one bag because I mostly carry my shower essentials and my skincare in one bag, but because of my loofah and my brush, everything just becomes a mess in my wash bag. So I just wanted to carry my skincare and makeup in a separate bag this time around. So yeah, that is the reason why I got this, and I think it's very cute. I am really tired right now. I need to pack my makeup, I need to pack my clothes, I need to pack my other travel essentials, my tripod and all of that, because I'll make some content there as well. I'm not very sure if I'll post a vlog, but let's see. And I have to sleep because I have an early morning train. I have to leave at 6 in the morning because I have a train at 7:30. So let's just quickly get done with this and let's just do this फट यार, because अभी मेरे को तो सोना है. Guys, I'm also gonna carry my vlogging kit. I'm gonna carry this tripod right here. It's very small, very portable, very handy device. It's compatible with both my phone and my camera. It has a Bluetooth remote, so you can connect it with your phone and click your pictures anywhere. You can take your own videos and pictures, and it becomes a selfie stick also. It's great for vlogging, and it's a very sturdy device. You can definitely check this product out. I got it from Skywick. You can check out my description for the link. I also have a code for this. You can check that out in the description box as well. Guys, this is literally my favorite device ever. You just take your remote and you simply press it and it will click the picture. You just have to press it and it will take the picture. It can even take a video. You just press it and it will start recording. So it's that easy. I absolutely love taking it everywhere with me, and not just because of the Bluetooth thing, but the overall tripod is so sturdy. It's such a good quality tripod, I'm not even kidding. So guys, apart from the tripod, I'm also gonna carry this lens kit right here. It is a 2-in-1 lens. It has a wide angle lens. Like the bigger one is the wide angle lens and the smaller one is the macro lens. So you can literally take such beautiful shots with the macro lens. I'll put some reference picture here for you guys to see. And though my phone has wide angle, like inbuilt wide angle, but still this one gives like really good quality, like really high quality wide angle shots and videos. Let's pack all of our makeup and skincare in this cute bag. It has a lot of space, as you can see. I already told you. I'm just gonna keep a few brushes in this pouch. I don't remember, I think this was a brush pouch only. Then keeping my serum, my toner, my hand cream. This was from L'Occitane. Then keeping my sunscreen, this Lakme Lumi lid cream. This was the cream I was talking about in my video earlier. Just gonna keep this small eyeshadow, my blush from Cute Cosmetics, then a tint, you know, just in case, then a lip balm, and what else, a mascara, of course, keeping this Maybelline's mascara, then a concealer, another concealer, and my lip gloss, and I think that is it. After that, I'm just gonna keep my lash curler, some lip pencils and kajal, a mini perfume, my eyeliner, my powder, this small heart puff, and another mini perfume, a small pack of Tic Tac, and yeah, we are done. I kept my micellar water also after that because I forgot, but yeah, I kept my micellar water also. And my bag is packed and is looking absolutely cute. Then I'm just packing my clothes in this clothes organizer. I'm sure you must have seen this. People keep this in their suitcase. It's very nice. I could keep all of my, I always use this one, but I was using this for the first time for my backpack, and I could keep like a lot of stuff in this one. Like I kept one kurti, 4 tops, 1 pair of jeans, 1 pair of lower, 1 pair of shorts, my towel, all of my innerwear also, my briefs and all of that, my socks. And you can see how small this cube is, but I could pack so much in this one. And then I kept everything in my backpack. It was very easy. I packed my laptop also, And then in my first chain I kept my tripod. Like, tripod I was still using, but I kept my lens kit and all of that, and I also kept my chargers and all of that in my first pocket, and my bag was fully packed. And in my next bag, like, I also took one small bag. In this bag I kept all of my makeup and shower essentials, and yeah, it was done. I hope you guys like this video. I'll see you again next time. Bye bye, take care, see you again.
Come on, baby.